Good afternoon, everyone. So my name is Klaus Gabriel Baste. So in this video, I'm showing you the performance task I've been working with, which is yung menu driven calculator. So let's get started. Okay, so what was my first is that I input is using a J option pen input dialog showing that the calculator menu. So display ko yung mga options niya. So yung additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, and yung exit. So at this point, the program is waiting for the users na maka-enter yung mga numbers 1 to 5. So the value entered by the user is stored in the variable choice. So if yung user natin ma-enter yung 5, ang program na mag-display yan ng message saying na thank you for using the calculator. So that's the said. So that's I wrote it. And then after showing the message, yung break system is ma-executed siya, which stops the loop and ends the program. So if the user chooses options 1 to 4, yung program natin is mag-continue rin siya mag-run. So, and then the two new dialog boxes ma-appear siya one after another. So, if mag-ask ta og first number and second number, the inputs are ma-convert siya sa double values, and then ma-stored siya sa number 1 and 2. So this allows the program handle both whole numbers and decimal values. And then after the numbers are entered, yung program natin goes to switch choice statement. So if the addition is selected, no, the program adds 2 numbers. So if ipipick natin yung addition, the program adds 2 numbers. So if the subtraction is selected, the program subtracts the second number from the first. So ganyan si subtraction. So if multiplication naman, if we select it, the program multiplies the 2 numbers. And then if the division is selected, the program checks if the second number is 0. So if it is 0, yung error message will show up. The error message will show up. And if not, the division is performed. So kuan siya, success yung pag-delivered niya. So after yung calculation, a message dialog appears showing the result of the operation. So this output is displayed. So this output is displayed using G option and show message dialog. So once the result is shown na, the program bumabalik yun siya sa beginning of the dito yung while loop. Bumalik siya. So once yung result is magpakita, the program will go back to the beginning. So yes, and then the menu appears again, allowing the user to perform another calculation without restarting the program. So it means when you use it, the menu appears again. So that's how it is when to perform another calculation. So this process continues. So this process, mag-continue lang siya until the user, yung operator, mag-selects ng exit option. So I will run this program. So now let's run the program. Okay, well, as we see right here, as I code the menu, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and multiplication, and the exit. So if we enter the one which is the addition and enter his first number, it's 54, and the second, take it randomly, 34. So it's just an add-on. If we subtract naman, first number is 6, second number is 7. Well, its result as an 1.0 is subtracts to each other. So if we put in multiplication, first number is 5, and then 5, which is 25. That's how it is. And if we choose a 5, which is an exit, it tells the program, or it's shown that the message is pleasing, that we're done the program, and has a thank you for using the calculator. So that's my program. It is.